Dear students, let us start the, with the absolute permissions. Uh, Here, we can also change the permissions of the file using the absolute permission. What do you mean by absolute permission? Here, uh, we take a octal value. We take a octal value for read, write, and execute. Now, suppose for read permission, we take the octal value 4, and in binary digit, it can be represented using 100. Similarly, for write permission, we take the octal value 2, and in the binary form, we represent it by 010. Similarly, for execute permission, we take the octal value 1, and its binary representation is 001. Now, suppose I want to give permission of read and write both to a file, then what will be my octal value? 4 plus 2, 6. So 6, how we can represent in binary form? 110. As we know, everybody knows that 6 can be represented in the binary form using 110. Similarly, I want to give permission to write and execute both. Write and execute both. So what will be my octal value? 2 plus 1, 3. And its binary representation is 011. Similarly, I want to give permission to a file for read and execute. Read and execute. Then what will be my binary value? 4 plus 1, 5, and 5 can be represented using 101. Similarly, I want to give permission to a file for all the three. I want to give all the three permissions like read, write, and execute to a file. Then what will be its octal value? That is 4 plus 2 plus 1, that is 7, and 7 can be represented using binary in the binary form 111. So this is the procedure we will follow. Now let us go to the next slide. So for 0 there is no permission. If 1 octal value is 1, then only execute permission. If octal value is 2, then only write permission. If octal value is 3, then write and execute permission. 2 plus 1, 3, write and execute. If octal value is 4, then read permission. If octal value is 5, then read and execute permission. If octal value is 6, then read and write permission. And if octal value is 7, then it's a read, write and execute permission. Let us move to the next slide. Here we have 3 categories and 3 permissions for each category. So what are the 3 categories? We have owner of the file, then group of the file, and others. So 3 categories and 3 permissions. What are? Read, write and execute. So we should have 3 octal digits can describe a file's permissions completely. That's why a 3 octal digit means 111 or 000. So 3 digits. Maximum value is 7. The most significant digit represents user, and the least one represent others. The leftmost, it represents the owner of the file, that is user, and rightmost digit, it represents others, like here. So in this binary form you can see that 111 or 101. So this one is for user and this one is for group and this is for others. So rightmost digit, it represents for others, and leftmost digit, it represents for owner, and the middle one, it represents for group. The change mode can use this 3-digit strings as the expression. So change mode command uses this 3-digit expression for the command. Using relative permission, we have change mode a plus read write x start. Change mode a plus read write. So it's in the relative permission. I want to give read and write permission to all the three users, like user, group owner, and others. So what do we write? We write a plus rw x start. So using absolute permission, how do we write? So read and write means what will be the value? Read and write, its the value is corresponding value is 6. So how do we write read and write? I want to give all. So 6, 6, 6. This 6 for user, this 6 for group owners, and this 6 for others. I want to give all the everyone the read and write permission. So change mode 666 x star. So this is nothing but this is the absolute permission and this is the relative permission, a plus rw. Similarly, change mode 644 x star. What this 6 for user? 6 means what? Read and write. So read and write permission, it is given to the user. 4 means what? Only read permission to the second one. Second one belongs to which user? That is group only. So that is read. 4 means read. So read permission only for the group owner. And again the least significant is 4. So again which belongs to the other. So others also get only read permission. Next one, change mode 761 means 7 permission you are giving to user. User has all the 3 permissions: read, write, and execute. Read, write, and execute. 6 permission to group. 6 means read and write. Read and write permission to the group. And 1 means what? Only execute permission. 1 means only execute permission for others. So this is wrong. This need to be corrected using like this, execute. Yes, now it is correct. Now only owner can change the file permission. User cannot change other users file permission. Only owner can change the file permission and other users cannot change others file permission. But the system administrator can do anything. Let the default, but system administrator can change anyone's file permission. Let the default permission for the file x start. Whenever we create a file, its a default permission for any file is read, write, read, and read. For owner user, it gives read and write permission. For other group,